Hey, my name's Rebecca. I'm Creative Director at Longina Phillips Designs. We're a studio that sells print designs in repeat to some of the biggest names in fashion. If you're watching this, you're a designer and you already know what a repeat is. For those of you that don't, it's a design made to run endlessly and seamlessly across a roll of fabric, and 90% of print buying clients worldwide expect their files to work like this. What you might not know is just how much you might have to adapt the approach to the repeat to suit the type of design you are creating. I've seen many designers get it wrong over the years, myself included. No matter what free tutorials will tell you, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Photoshop's offset tool isn't standard practice, and it can dumb down both your design and your creativity. With this in mind, we'd like to introduce you to our industry expertise course. The Complete Repeat course for surface designers demonstrates the full, exciting range of professional repeats we use here at our studio. You'll see how powerful they are in elevating your designs above your competition, who are still likely using offset tools. At this point, you might be thinking, learning a repeat for a floral border is great, but I need help creating the actual floral border first. Well, we've got you covered. Our designers walk you through not just 25 repeats, but 25 plus entire designs too. Yes, you'll go from prepping your elements to creating the correct repeating pattern for debut designs, intermediate designs, and advanced designs. This is the first and only place you'll get this industry information. And if you put in the practice, the course is guaranteed to take you to the next level in your print design career. It bears repeating. We guarantee it will transform your career as a designer. All you have to do is take a deep breath and jump into it with us. Let's get started.